JavaFX setup in IntelliJ IDEA. Browser open, Google search box lo Java download, enter key press, oracle.com Java downloads Oracle India, second link click, Oracle official redirectory web page, complete display, Java downloads section lo mouse scroll down, Java JDK latest version 24, previous version JDK 21, second option click, supporting OS Linux, Mac OS, Windows, third one Windows click, second one x64 installer, file size 164.42 MB, download section lo link click, downloads JDK iPhone 21, Windows iPhone x64 bin.exe setup file, downloading process start, wait and here, downloading process completing. Process completed. Next new tab click, search box lo IntelliJ IDEA download, enter key press, jetbrains.com download IntelliJ IDEA, first link mouse left click, first button accept all click, JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA official redirectory web page, complete display, supporting OS Windows, Mac OS, Linux, default detected and select Windows. First one IntelliJ IDEA ultimate version, middle section lo mouse scroll down, second one IntelliJ IDEA community edition, download.exe Windows, right side down arrow click, zip file available and ARM64 available, default exe Windows, download button click, download section of IDLC iPhone 2025.2 latest version .exe setup file, downloading process start, file size 942 MB, wait and here, downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize, desktop file explorer document open, left side downloads folder lo two set of files display, first one JDK 21, select mouse double click, Java TMSC development kit window lo first button yes click, preparing to install, download folder minimize, welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE development kit window lo first button next click, installation location and path display, local disk C, program files, newly created folder, Java subfolder JDK 21, default path set, second button next click, status copying new files, installation process start, wait and here few seconds. Java SE development kit successfully installed, close button click, file explorer document reopen, left side this PC option select, new volume C select open, program files folder select open, Java folder select open, JDK 21 folder select open, address bar mouse left click, mouse right click, second option copy click, folder minimize, Windows search box lo system environment variable enter, first option edit the system environment variable click, system properties window lo last button environment variables button click, second one system variable section lo first button new click, variable name Java underscore home enter, second one variable value box mouse right click, paste click, OK click, next path select, second button edit click, folder reopen, bin folder select open, address bar mouse left click, mouse right click, copy click, folder minimize, right side top section of new button click, mouse right click, paste click, OK click and OK click and OK click, folder reopen, downloads folder select, first one IDLC setup file, select, mouse double click. Please wait while setup installing. IDSC.exe window first button, yes click. Download folder, minimize. Welcome to the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup window first button, next click. Choose install location, destination folder, default path, display in box, local disk C, program files, newly created folder and directory, JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Space required 3.5 GB. Second button, next click. Installation options. First one, create desktop shortcut, left side tick mark set. Next, update path variable, restart needed, add bin folder to the path, left side box tick mark set. Create associations, dependencies, tools, Java, left side box tick mark set, Gradle tick mark set, Groovy tick mark set, KT, Kotlin tick mark set, KTS tick mark set, Porn tick mark set. Second button, next click. Choose start menu folder, default folder name JetBrains set. Second button, install, click. Installing, please wait while IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition being installed. Application related setup files extracting process start. Wait and here few minutes. After installation completed, desktop shortcut display IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Completing IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. Run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Left side box tick mark set. Finish button click. Data sharing window first button. Don't send click. Import settings window second one. Skip import click. Maximize. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA IDE workspace section 3 icons display. First one, new project icon click. Left side JavaFX option select. Project folder name demo display and created folder and file. Default location desktop set. Languages Java, Kotlin, Groovy, Maven, Gradle all set. Next last one, JDK installation version, right side down arrow click. 21 Oracle open JDK select. Next click. Left side additional libraries all tick mark set. Second button, create click. IDE maximize. Right side down section lo execute folder button click. Elevator.exe window first button, yes click. Load Maven project button click. The folder have been successfully display. Build our project dependencies demo project file creating. Wait in here few seconds. Left side project window created folder name demo and location. Third one, SRC select. Left side expand. Next second one, Java expand. Select file. Charity info. 3 dots click. Save all click. Main menu re-click. Project structure option click. First one, project section SDK. 21 Oracle open JDK installation version set. Right side down arrow click. Previous versions and latest versions. OK button click. Top section lo run hello application.java icon click. Java TM platform SE binary first button, yes click. Charity info Warangal display.